Autocare video. In today's video I'm going to be testing out 2-in-1 snow foam from DVS Performance. It's a snow foam and a pre-soak, or citrus pre-soak, citrus pre-wash, whatever you want to call it. So I'm hoping for the best. I'll be testing this out on my partner's R-bath, as you'll soon see. I've tried these products before and they're not the best from other companies, so I'm hoping that this will hopefully step the game up and do a lot better. DVS Performance were awfully kind to send me out a sample of this for absolutely free, so I thought that'd be worth mentioning. So as you can see, the product worked really quite well. It definitely got rid of some of the grime, as you can see on the microfiber cloth, and I would highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you would try this product out yourself. I'll leave everything all down below in the description to the website and the Instagram. And thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.